Want to boost website traffic and sales in 2025 with Google Ads? You're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. High-intent keywords. Focus on search terms with clear buying intent. Use Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find keywords that convert. Step 2. Smart bidding. Let Google's AI optimize your bids for clicks, conversions, or ROAS. Step 3. Audience targeting. Combine keywords with custom intent, in-market, or remarketing audiences to reach people already interested in your products. Step 4. Add copy and extensions. Clarity, value, and action are key. Use site links, call extensions, and promotions, and test multiple versions to improve CTR and conversions. Finally, analyze and optimize. Track metrics, tweak underperforming ads, and experiment with new keywords. Google Ads rewards continuous optimization, not set-it-and-forget-it campaigns. That's it, the best Google Ads strategies for 2025. Focus on keywords, smart bidding, audience targeting, compelling ads, and optimization. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tips.